Jupiter Brothers.
Ang lalaroin namin ngayon is the
Crawler.
Crawlers. Tara, mag-start na tayo, guys. 1, 2, 3, go. So, ito na. Start na natin. The Crawler. On the way to camping. We're really far away from the city in the middle of nowhere. We decided to stop here at this mark to get some snacks and supplies. Then, at 12:15, dating na ang bad! Intro nito. What a perfect place for us to stop by after a long ride. Let's see what they're up to. Best quality. May dalawang tao dito. May ski. Found a car key. That looks like a car key. Maybe it belongs to the one of the cars around here. If only Emily hadn't driven so slowly, we'd already be at our camp. This is your fault, Emily. Ikaw pala ang ano eh. Bonakid eh. What the hell? Ayan yung kotse. May kotse dun oh. Welcome. There's a car over there. Watch out, stranger. Campers found in the woods. Possible encounter with large creature or bear sun news. A camper's body was found in the woods and signs suggest a run-in with a big creature or maybe a bear. Wildlife officials are on the hunt, but it's still risky out there. Stay safe, folks. Open. Flashlight. Sheesh. Yun na. Sheesh. May sasayaw oh.
To the left, to the left.
To the right,
Umikot
to the
ng
right.
sabay-sabay. Bye-bye, suklay.
Ikaw nga. Ikaw nga, paano ba yan? Yeah. Okay, vibing. Ay, ganda ng araw mo ngayon ah. Hindi pala gabi pala ngayon. Ganda ng gabi mo pala ngayon. Okay, bahala ka dyan. Trek mo yan eh. Stay safe. Mamaya, may ano dyan. May pati anak dyan. Baka may pati anak dyan. Please look kind of nice. Hello. Sabi, ba't nawala? These snacks look delicious. Okay. Wait lang. Parang pagka... Eto. Coca-Cola. Oops. Shit. Lul. Wow. Lul. Lul. Kala ko, ano, Pringles. Lul pala. Ay, what's up? What's up? Takpad nito ah. Parang gusto mo ipag-bundigan ah. Please. So ka no, laban tayo. Kunti malaki ka lang. Ah. Bilog na bilog no? Okay. Doon tayo. Tama, paano ba susutukin yan? Ikaw nga. No, lakas mo dun ah. What a nice ah. Eh, so, nakalutang lang eh, no? Ay, loot. So, wala. Ay, ito pala oh. Loot, loot, loot. What a nice. Ay, ito pa. Ano ito? Ano yun? Libro? Ano yung libro? Libro ba to? Libro pala to, no? Mystery book. Sa akin.
Oh no!
Naging loot. That damn generator behind the shop is broken again. Nabubuksan ko na, ako na magmamalasakit sa'yo. Tamad ka naman ata eh. Ikaw ang bantay, ayaw buksi. Ay, naku naman. Nabili lang ako. Ayun, ito. Ish. Sa akin, paano dito? Ay, tayo pa rin. Ako dito, nakakaya dito. Ay, wala. Bawal. Ish. Best quality. A. What the hell? Ano it's saying? I should tell Troy about this. Kanina nagsasayaw ka lang, ba't parang flexible ka na? What a nice. Sorry pre. What happened to you? Mo naman, ganyan yung paa mo oh. Yan try ka na lang na ganyan pa. Kawawang nilalang. Sheesh. Uy, uy. Nagalaw. May nagalaw. Oh. Push. Ano tong push? Uy. Uy.
Help! Someone help! Help!
Kalma na yan. Malaki ka na.
Tigbason takaron.
Ba't kasi ayaw pang umano? Ba't pa kasi kailangan pang tumulong? Bibili. What? Daga lang pala yun. Something bad happened there. Sheesh, nawala yung cashier. Saan nagpunta yun? Tago tayo, mamaya meron dito. Chicken, what the hell? Ang sarap naman yan. Yummy. CR. Makiki dito. Okay. Copies. Laundry room. May pumutok. Ching. Nakalak yung chest. Nakalak ang chest! Ay, may daan pa dito. Scare mo ito. Menu. Ice coffee. Proper. Ewan ko. Basta yun. Kitchen! Dito yung mga killer siguro. May ramen pa dito. Sarap. Frieza. Ay, may key dito. Bedroom key. Okay. Uy. Ninong, may pumasok. May pumasok. Gag stick. Tingnan natin, matapang tayo. We're brave and strong.
Pwede
Sheesh. Oh my god. Bilis naman nun. Dire-diretso lang. So, hindi naman sushi yan eh. Ano yan? Pork yan eh. Pork or beef. Basta yun. Rice! Hindi naman eh. Cauliflower yan. Cauli. Tumakbo yung pati anak. Nakita mo? Yung pati anak na gano'n. Shing! Uy. She's not here. Saan siya nagpunta? Mikey. We found the chest key. Ay, chest! Yung nakita natin kanina, yun yun ano? Chest na malaki. Jeez. Scary. Scary duper! Mamaya may lumabas na naman ditong ano. Okay. We found an exit. Ah, kanina may exit dun. Fresh food. Fresh food oh. Siguro yun. Kaya nagmumulto yung aso. Ginawang foods. Ginawang food siguro. Joke lang. Exit. Uy!
Joy, sobrang saya ko. Barya lang video ko.
She's not here. Gugulat ka pa. This place dangerous. Go hide in my cabin now. Go! Run! I'm running. Shit to run. Hurry, there's a gun in that room. Napapatay natin to. Saan yun dito? Dito ka ah. Wala, hanapin ko ano dyan. Ah, wait. Uy. Patay ka! Ano masabi mo sa duck roller?
Pero guys, yung tatlong corner ko, masyado na ako takot. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.
Yun lang. See you in the next